Then let us come to the last public building into consideration. So that is the cinema building. So cinema building is a place of entertainment. Accordingly, the planning and the construction of the cinema building should be done. So what are all the things that we need to plan in this building is, first of all, how the site should be selected. After selecting the site, after the construction, or rather during the construction, how the auditorium should be situated, how the reception counters, that is the office and the counters for taking the ticket, should be situated, how the sound effects should be there, what are all the other components of the cinema building, that is how much space should be given for parking, how much space should be given for garden if at all it requires. So all these parts should be considered. So here we can see cinema building, it is a place of entertainment, and how it should be, how the site should be selected for the cinema building. So here we can see the site should be easily accessible to all. If the cinema building is constructed in a particular place in the city, it should have a convenient local transport so that people can reach the cinema theaters on time. Then it is very important to consider what are all the buildings that should be at distance from the cinema building, or rather I can put it like this: the cinema building should be located at some particular distance from the different type of buildings which require more of silence, like education institution, religious institution, and hospitals. So all these institutes require some kind of silence. If at all the cinema building is located very close to it, so there may be a sort of disturbance. So generally it is put it like this: the cinema building should be located at or up to 200 meters distance from the religious institutes, the educational institutes, and the hospitals. Along with that, we need to consider the space required for the cinema building as well. The total building, how much space it can accommodate, and how much space is left in front of the cinema building within the compound, and how much space is provided for the parking. It may be bike parking, cycle stand, or car parking. And if at all we require garden, we require water fountain, what is the area to be accommodated. So considering all these components of the cinema building, the area should be calculated accordingly. So these are the requirements. So in general we can say a area of 0.2 to 0.4 hectares. So this much area can be given for the cinema building. So 1 hectare means 10,000 meters square of area. Okay, 1 hectare means 10,000 meters square of area, or 10 raised to 4 meters square. So these are the different components should be considered for the selection of the site of the building of the cinema. Okay, so let us discuss the next topics, that is what are all the different components that should be used inside the cinema building. So here we can see, according to building bylaws means it is the rules and regulations made by the municipal corporation for the construction and planning of the different buildings. So here we can see the minimum plot for the cinema building, or